All right, welcome to week 3 of BodyFlesh Uncut. This 6-week course is on climb, hook or hang, and then crucifix. Over the last 2 weeks, we separated the phrase out. We're gonna start, once you feel like you've cleaned the pole enough, you can start doing some pirouettes, low flow. So, how are you gonna climb? Describe your climb. How many times you gonna climb? Slide this hand down. What is your transition from the climb to the leg hang or the leg hook? Get it into that hip. Okay, we're gonna do one last song. It's gonna be a cool down song though. If you wanna try a low trick phrase and see what happens, you're open to do that. And that's my exit.